Okay, today we are going to practice solving a real-world problem. Say we have a garden this is our garden, and it's a little odd shaped. Okay, and it's 8 feet by 6 foot. So we can go about two ways of solving this. One way is to split it up into two rectangles. Okay, so then we would solve for this rectangle, and then we'd switch and solve for this rectangle. Or another way we could do it is by adding on to our rectangle and solving for the whole thing, all of this, and then just taking out this part, and what you'd have left would be the area of our garden right here. So to start this, we're going to take it and try the second way that I mentioned. So this one right here, we're going to solve for the whole triangle, or for the whole rectangle. So to do this, all we have to do is take 8 feet times 6 feet, which is easy. We know that would be 48 feet. So now what we have to do is we have to get rid of this part right here, because we have to subtract that from the 48. So in able to subtract that, we need to know how long this side is right here and how long this side is right here. So let's say this side is 3 feet. So then if we know this, then we can assume that this side is going to be 5 feet. And then once again, we can say that this side is 3 feet as well. And that means our other side to this is going to be 3 feet. And all we have to do is take 5 times 3, which equals 15, and subtract that from our original 48. And our answer comes to 33 feet. So we know our garden is 33 feet. Another way to go about this is by cutting our garden into 2 pieces. So I just drew that line there. So now what we're going to do is we already determined on that other problem that this right here was 3 feet. And this right here was 3 feet. So we know 3 times 3 equals 9. And then we'd have to figure out what this was. Well, we already know this is going to be 8, and so this is going to be 3 feet. So then all we do is take 3 times 8, which equals 24 feet, and then we just add them together. So 24 plus 9, which will give us 33 feet. But we have to make sure we label it, and we have to add the squares. So 33 feet squared is how big our garden will be. Thank you.